Hi there, I hope you are doing well. So today I'm gonna show you an important biking accessories which is a helmet mounted light and that is called brake free, a smarter way to be seen. So let me open this box because I'm already using it, so there is no sense of unboxing it, but yes, I'll show you how it's gonna look like. So this is the light and here's the power button. Just opposite side of this, there is a C-type charging port. It's a fast charging, and you just switch it on from here. Now it's on. So here I'm just pulling it up, pushing it down. Then again I'm pulling it up, and then I'm pushing it down. It's a motion sensor basically. So let's talk about the feature of this pretty wonderful light. So let's get started.
Rider safety is style, and this gadget proves it. Meet the brake-free light, the smartest helmet-mounted brake light that makes you unmissable on the road. This isn't just a fancy light. It automatically senses when you slow down, brake, or stop, and flashes bright so vehicles behind you can't ignore you. No messy wiring, no extra hassle. Just clip, charge, and ride. Day or night, city or highway. This little buddy makes you stand out and adds that extra layer of protection every rider deserves. I've been using it on my rides and honestly, car keeps more distance. Visibility is way better and I feel a lot safer. It's like having a second brake light right on your head. So if you want safety, style and smart tech in one, the brake-free light is a must-have for every rider. Ride safe, ride smart. Let's talk about the features. It comes with 100 ultra bright LEDs positioned at eye level to dramatically improve visibility from behind. The helmet light functions as a high-mounted motorcycle brake light, making you stand out on the road both day and night. Number 2. Wireless and easy to install. A completely self-contained rear bike light, no apps, no wiring, no hassle. Number 3. Smart brake detection system. Advanced internal sensors with a proprietary algorithm detect all declarations types whether you are using your brakes, downshifting or engine braking. Number 4. Weatherproof and road ready. Built tough to withstand rain, wind and dust. Whether you are commuting, cruising or touring, this LED light for motorcycles is engineered to perform reliably in any weather. Number 5. If we talk about its weight, so it's only 7 ounce, which is less than 200 grams. Also because of its design and aerodynamics, you won't even feel its presence. Number 6. It has fast USB-C charging. Rechargeable helmet light with modern USB-C technology for 80% faster charging. Reach full power in just 1.5 hours. And you will get 12 plus hours backup, making it one of the most efficient bike lights rechargeable solutions for everyday riders. If you want to buy this, so it's available on Amazon.com but not on Amazon.in, and it cost $170 which is around 15,000 INRs.
I hope you like this video. Please support, do comment. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. I'll meet you soon in another video. Till then, be happy, stay wealthy, keep exploring and traveling.